Let's practice.
You have a mosquito.
Oh! Hey, here's some of the tools that we're taking to Maui with us tomorrow. I'm gonna take you along with us to show you what that's like from the very beginning to the very end. So let's go. Okay, the Uber driver starts by picking me up and taking me to the airport. Turns out that this guy is a windsurfer from Brazil. I checked 3 bags under the plane, and then I carry 2 bags onto the plane. Stop for some coffee. And on the way down to the jetway, I figure out and get an alert that I've been upgraded to first class. I'm so stoked. My buddy does this vlog where he films planes coming in and out of Sky Harbor. And he calls me and says, "Hey man, are you on this flight?" And I go, "Yeah, I am on this flight." So he says, "Hey, log into my live stream right now." So I pull out my phone and boom, there it is. He's filming me taking off, and this is actually pretty cool. Okay, the breakfast was amazing. Service always on Hawaiian, just the best. I get a little dessert, and then 6 hours and 45 minutes later, we land in Honolulu. I go to my favorite place, Stingray's, to have lunch, and I always get the same thing. Their cheeseburgers are amazing, and those French fries are fantastic. Okay, off to the jetway, onto the next plane. I always get a window seat because I always want to see Diamond Head when we fly over it. It's literally like a 30-minute flight, and the windmills, seeing that is always super cool. All right, I hit the ground with all my bags, and my best friend, Sarah Hauser, picks me up. Aloha Classic champion, medallion ambassador, the list goes on.
Made it? Sarah Hauser?
What's interesting right now is you can't hear shit because Tyron needs the AC blasting.
Yes!
In 2017, Girl on Wave was released on the big screen. It told my story and inspired people to follow their dreams. It was internationally distributed by The Orchard and has been seen in 15 different countries, and still continues to make its presence on Amazon, iTunes, DirecTV, Sports Illustrated TV, and more.
This was my first film that I ever did, and I made this film at a late age. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. I made some mistakes along the way, and I learned from those mistakes and continue to learn. This film opened the door to make my second film, and now my third film. I hope that you like it when you see it, and I hope you like the second film, and when you see the third film, I hope you're stoked, and I'm going to continue to keep making films. First place we always go after the airport is Costco. And what do you get at Costco? You get the bacon. Location 1 is Thousand Peaks. I'm gonna get prepped, and while I'm getting prepped, that's Sarah and Casey, that's Casey Hauser, Sarah's husband, and we're gonna get ready to start filming in the water. I'm gonna shoot on a Sony FX3 with a Aquatech underwater housing. 90% of this vlog is being filmed on a DJI Osmos 3. Right now I'm shooting vertical, and Sarah uses this for her social media. This is footage from the FX3 in the Aquatech. I'm I'm using a Sony 24-70 2.8, and I'm shooting at 120 frames. This was the first time that I took the Sony FX3 into the water, into that housing. And I'll let you find the imperfections and you can comment where those are at. So the moral of this story is always check your mirror and always check the portal and always check your glass. The next day, we got to do some pickup shots for the film. As we look at the film and the timeline, we know that we can get better shots, so that's what we're doing. And this is the shot from the Raptor.
We're shooting on RED RAPTOR, CP3, and Ronin RS. It works really well in these types of situations. And I'm stoked that we're here, and I can't wait to show you guys what we're doing.
This is one of my favorite places to have lunch in Aiea. This is the Haiku store. The sandwiches, everything is amazing. Sarah gets this. And then we're off to Hokipa Beach. When I'm on the beach, I'm shooting with our RED RAPTOR, and I'll give you the specs on that lens a little bit later. That Zacuto eyepiece I use with focus assist, and we're able to get some amazing images that I'll show you in a bit. That's Annie Reichert, amazing water woman and big wave surfer. I'm super stoked that Annie's in our film, and I'm excited to show you what she does on the waves and who she is as an athlete and as a person.
God bless with a beautiful day for May. Doesn't get much better than this. You know, still got waves in May. It almost looks like winter, but it's got this beautiful watercolor that's more summertimey blue.
Jace is an amazing director, DP. The images that this guy gets in the water, under the water, I can't say enough about this guy. And he's just an amazing, he's a good dude. The morning starts with us going to the cannery. The cannery is where Goya, Quattro, KT foiling, and KT surfing is. This is where design, construction, and sales is going on at any given time. We also feature this place in our current film. This is Sarah's sponsor, and this is also where Casey does R&D. If you're on the island, you have to visit this place because this is where my favorite breakfast place is. It's called Baked on Maui. They have some of the best food you will ever have there. Okay, off to shoot some more pickups. I put the Raptor together in the parking lot because I gotta walk it out to where we're gonna film. I get everything ready, and what we're doing is we're gonna reproduce something that we shot 7 years ago. So Sarah walks to the end there, she jumps into the water, and this scene right here is from our film 7 years ago. We're gonna reproduce that. You have to watch to see exactly how we did that, but it looks pretty cool. Okay, we're back on the road to go to our next location. We're going back to Goya because we have the opportunity to shoot some shaping. Okay, we're off to work out at Deep Peak, one of my favorite places to work out. Samantha Campbell owns this gym. She is one of 3 who really taught me the importance of working out. I can't thank her enough. And I love her to death because she laughs at my jokes. Okay, after the workout, we're back to 1,000 Peaks. We're gonna get into the water one more time super quick. This is footage from the FX3. We get finished really quick. We got to shower up because we're off to Sarah's birthday party. Okay, Sarah wanted a pedicure party, so a pedicure party she gets. Everybody showed up. It was really a lot of fun. I had never had a pedicure before. It was my first time, and it was good. I couldn't complain. Birthday cake, everything. I'm pretty excited that we're almost done with this film, only in the sense that I'll be able to share that, and we will be able to share that with all of you, and I can't wait for that to happen. We say goodnight one more time because the next day I get on a plane and I come home. It was such a great experience, and I'm super stoked that I got to bring you along to show you what that's like. And stay tuned because I'll show you in the future, more travels and what that's like and the gear that we're using. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and make some comments, and we'll just keep moving forward.